mutant wave looms. After deadly second wave, Omicron cases rise across India. How prepared are we? Should you be worried? We're prepping you 100%. Unmissable Omicron insight and info. Brace for Omicron.
India, like rest of the world, is bracing for Omicron. I'm Sneha Mordani. A very good afternoon. We are talking about booster doses, or the third dose, or the additional dose that the government of India is choosing to call it. We're getting you a discussion on that as well. Professor Srinath Reddy of the Public Health Foundation of India is also going to be joining us. Also, Professor Rijo John is going to be connecting with us. He's a well-known health economist. But before that, this report I filed earlier on the growing demand for booster doses in the country. India is devising a strategy that has been delayed. The WHO is meeting today to decide on recommendations for boosters. Here's more.
Know that the virus has infected people who have received 2 doses of vaccine. We even know from the Israeli case that there is a person who had received a booster dose of a Pfizer vaccine, therefore 3 doses of vaccine, and still got infected. So we need much more clinical information.
There is a need and the time is now. That is the word from India's top vaccinologist, doctors, health experts on the third dose or the additional dose for those with poor immunity that may be severely compromised. At a time when the world has been confronted with the 5th variant of concern, Omicron, and India is unspared, there is a growing demand for boosters in India, hoping it would offer further protection to those with compromised immunity. The government so far has said they are studying the need for the additional dose.
बूस्टर डोज के लिए इसके इम्पेरेटिव्स क्या हैं? ये सारा अध्ययन, जब मैंने कहा कि हम जो वैज्ञानिक पहलू हैं इसके, उसको बहुत ध्यान से स्टडी कर रहे हैं, इसके ऊपर पूरी नज़र है. It's an ongoing work.
But the world is in a fix, say experts, and we can't wait, as vaccine hesitancy or complacency is also setting in.
There are some concerns for India. Number one, there has been a vaccine hesitancy growing over past 1 month. And rather than having at least 1 crore vaccination per day, we are having 50-60 lakh per day. So we need to escalate vaccination. Number two, we do not know whether this vaccine will protect this variant or not. And therefore, we need to have newer research and see that this variant is also covered in the vaccination program.
The efficacy is dipping down even to 34 to 44%. Therefore, the urgent need of a third dose, which is now being called as a booster dose, but should be a part of the primary immunization. I think the boosters are extremely important in India. We should have a plan, especially for the